Follow the instructions in this video in order to set up your broker account with LCMFX. Firstly, in the launch manual provided, you've been given a link which you'll need to click in order to begin setting up your broker account. Please click the link. Step 2. Please choose Open Live Account. Step 3. Fill in the personal information on this page. This includes your personal details, address information, employment information, financial information and documents. Step 4. You've now signed up for LCMFX. Click the link to access your members area and familiarise yourself with the homepage. Step 5. To deposit funds into your account, click the Deposit tab at the top of the page. Please note, you'll not be able to deposit funds until your account has been approved. You can choose between a wire transfer or cryptocurrency. If you're depositing via wire transfer, enter the details on the deposit form. Please note the currency may show as euros, but you can change this at a later date. If you're depositing via cryptocurrency, enter the details on the deposit form, then set up a crypto wallet. After you've done this, you'll be given a crypto wallet address. Once you've received verification that your deposit has been successful, you will see your funds in your wallet. Step 6. To transfer these funds from your wallet into your trading account, click the Internal Transfer tab at the top of the page. Congratulations, you have now funded your trading account. Step 7. You'll now need to link your account to the AI software by filling out the DTA form. This form can be found on an email that was sent to you upon signing up with Manifest. Make sure that you fill in the correct information, your MT4 account number, and the trading AI software you are paying for, and sign it at the bottom. If not done correctly, you'll not be able to attach to the software. If you have 3 AI softwares running, please complete the form 3 times. If you have 2 AI softwares running, please complete the form twice. It's very important that after you sign the DTA form, you go back to your emails and verify the form has been signed and accept. If you don't accept, you will not be connected to the software. Step 8. You will then receive a confirmation email from LCMFX confirming that your account is linked to our software.